Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to add a net in a PCB without using a schematic. Many people think you can only add networks in the schematic, but actually, you can do it directly in the PCB editor. It's pretty simple. First, in the PCB editor, select the object you want to add the network to. It can be a trace, a pad, or a component. Next, open the Properties pane on the right and find the Net option. In the input box, type a new network name, for example 123. This works the same way for your traces and paths. After creating it, it will automatically be assigned to the select object. Component works the same way. To summarize, when adding a network without a schematic, the key is to select the object, type the network name in the Properties panel. It's straightforward and fast. That's it for this lesson. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.